To add a shadow in Canva, start by selecting the element you want to apply the shadow to, such as a text box or an image. Once selected, click on the Effects button located on the toolbar at the top of the screen. In the Effects menu, find and select the shadow option. You will see several shadow styles appear. You can choose from options like Drop, which creates a traditional shadow behind your element, or Glow, which adds a soft halo effect around it. After selecting your desired shadow style, you can customize its appearance. Adjust the shadow's transparency by moving the slider to make it more or less visible. You can also change the shadow's color to better match your design. To refine the shadow's position and distance from the element, use the corresponding sliders for blur, offset, and direction. Play around with these settings until you achieve the desired look. Once you're satisfied with the shadow, click outside the menu to apply the changes.